Right in the middle of the town is Cahir Castle, a fantastic 15th century castle in amazingly good order. It was taken over by the Board of Public Works in 1964 and they did a massive restoration job in it. At the start of its history it was thought to be impregnable. An attacker had to break through 4 walled fortifications before he could even attempt to get into the main keep of the castle. It was thought to be impregnable, but in 1599 the Earl of Essex laid siege, and after 3 bloody days he got in. In fact, some of the remnants of that siege are still in the castle wall in the shape of 2 cannonballs stuck in the wall. It had very interesting fortifications. Over the gate were machicolations, and these were slots in the wall where boiling oil or boiling water could be thrown down on whatever baddies came along. There was also a portcullis, and that's still in working order, thought to be the only working portcullis in the country. And baddies certainly did come along. In 1650, a very well-known baddie called Oliver Cromwell and his gang, they decided to take the castle.
First officer.
Yes, sir.
So this is Cahir Castle. Who commands this splendid fortress?
A certain Captain George Matthews, sir.
Have my demands been presented to him?
A messenger is already approaching the gate, sir.
Good. Are the cannons in place?
Yes, sir! All is in readiness for an attack, sir.
Then Captain Matthews had better act with haste.
I bear a message from Oliver Cromwell for one Captain George Matthews. He requests a reply without delay. Messenger!
Wait there. Message for you, sir, from Oliver Cromwell.
Quiet! Sir, having brought the army and my cannon near this place, according to my usual manner in summoning places, I thought fit to offer you terms honourable to soldiers, that you may march away with your baggage, arms and colours, free from injuries or violence. But if I be, notwithstanding, necessitated to bend my cannon upon you, you must expect the extremity usual in such cases. To avoid blood, this is offered to you by your servant Oliver Cromwell.
We will advise!
Murdering pig!
He will not take us!
Oh, Father, you must surrender. Oh, George, what are we going to do?
Do not worry, my dear, I will deal with Cromwell. Servant, bring the following message to Cromwell. We will relinquish the castle without firing a shot in return for our safe passage up country.
No, no, no! We will fight him as we fought Essex. We will fight!
Fight with what? We are no match for his powerful cannons. Since he arrived in this country, he has levelled every castle on his route. Do you want our fine castle to become a pile of rubble?
No.
And what of us? Certain death. We have no choice, I tell you. We must surrender and hope to survive. Go quickly, we must not try his patience. Some day we will return to this castle when Cromwell is just a bad memory.